On February 12th, 2026, we spent the night at the pads on the way to Death Valley. Great place to boondock for the night or even a few nights. It's peaceful, quiet. It's at 3,000 feet. Here's a look at that beautiful mountain we were staring at while we were there. That was really nice. And we're just going to do a quick fly around so you get an overall look at it. I would recommend this place. Those are the pads. It used to be a mining camp. There used to be trailers there. They took all that stuff down. They left the pads, and now people use it as a boondocking spot or overnight spot when they're traveling to and from. It was very quiet at night here. And here's a cool mountain that's close by, or a little hill. It's fun to go up there and look. That's the main road coming in. It goes right by the pads. So, yeah, this is an updated look. I didn't find a lot of this online, so here you go. A real look at the pads as of February 12th, 2026. We're just going to go up. I think we're at 300 feet now. We're going to back up, give you a better overall picture. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for joining us.